Hi, this is Rhonda from InkwellEditorial.com with another video in the Imperfectly Perfect freelance writing video series. There's a link about this series below if you're new to my videos. Today I want to talk about how to increase your income as a freelance writer without taking on more clients. One of the best ways that I've done that is to create my own products and services. I have been self-publishing since 2002. I've self-published over 100 ebooks. I've also written a book for a traditional publisher, so I've been traditionally published as well as self-publishing. I also created my own line of e-courses, which can be found on Teachable, InkwellEditorial.teachable.com. Last year in 2019, for example, I earned almost $25,000 just from my e-courses alone. And this is a pretty passive income stream. Yeah, it takes a lot of work to develop the courses. I'm not even gonna lie about that. But it is so worth it because if you take the time to create evergreen courses, all you have to do is keep them updated. And I updated my courses 2 to 4 times a year, depending on new information that comes out. But it's basically a hands-off income stream. And when you're selling them for anywhere from a couple $100 to $500 a pop, which mine sell for right now. As you can see, you don't have to sell very many in order to supplement your freelance writing income very, very nicely. And like I said, I've been doing this for years. Right now, I'm at the point in my career where I don't have to take on freelance writing clients if I don't want to. I can support myself just from the products and services that I create. And I planned it that way. Just a quick background is, like I said, I've been self-publishing since 2002. I've self-published over 100 ebooks. Over 50 of them are nonfiction how-to ebooks. I discovered SEO writing in 2007. That showed me how to market online. Showing me how to market online led me to want to create my own products and services. Once I did that, I started making money. It led me to create more products and services, and that just kind of got the ball rolling because I knew at some point in my career I was going to want to move away from writing for clients, not have to always be on the hunt for the next client, and create some income streams that allowed me to basically make money while I'm sleeping. And e-courses have been a great way to do that. So there's a link in the video below about how to create e-courses, what's involved and everything, and also a link to some self-publishing posts on the blog on InkwellEditorial.com. So if you're not ready to do that now, that's fine, but just know that one of the easiest ways to make more money as a freelance writer without taking on clients is to create products and services of your own. Again, this is Yolanda from InkwellEditorial.com for the Imperfectly Perfect video series. Don't forget to see the links below. See you next time.